Friends, today we are going to learn lesson number 3 from history, Movements Toward a New World. Dear students, in previous lesson we talk about the factors responsible for First World War. We also learn about the role of League of Nations and the factors which are responsible for the failure of League of Nations. In this chapter we will learn about the causes which are responsible for the Second World War and also about United Nations and the organs of the United Nations. So dear students, let's start. Movements toward a new world. Global trade between the two world wars. After the First World War, people become economically poor. The immediate government is in power were unsuccessful in improving this condition. People lost trust in democracy. Dictatorship began in some countries, which became a driving force for the Second World War. Let's study the following series of events in this respect. So here we are given series of events. Fascism in Italy, Nazism in Germany, militarism in Japan, global depression 1929 to 32. First we have a fascism in Italy. Dear students, you are requested to keep your textbook with you. Fascism in Italy. In the First World War, Italy was on the side of winning nations and fought for those nations. It incurred a massive expenditure of $12 billion, lost lives of 6 lakh soldiers. And the other winning nation took over the choicest territories, ignoring Italy. Italy was angry and frustrated. Yes, so here, dear students, we can say that in the First World War, Italy was on the side of winning nations, fought for those nations, and Italy has spent $12 billion. Not only that, it also lost lives of 6 lakh soldiers. And at the other winning nation, they took over the choicest territory, ignoring Italy. So because of this, Italy was angry and frustrated. Its nationalistic feeling was hurt, for which Italians consider its government responsible, and was more than eager to avenge this national humiliation as soon as possible. So Italy becomes so angry and want to take revenge against this humiliation. In order to salvage Italy from such a dire situation, Benedetto Mussolini launched the Fascist Party. So, the Fascist Party was launched by Mussolini to overcome this situation. He adopted a bundle of stick and axe, a symbol of supremacy of the Roman Emperor, as a symbol of his party. Dear students, here you should remember these things that Benedetto Mussolini launched Fascist Party. He adopted a symbol, a bundle of stick and axe. Fascism has evolved from the Italian word fascis, which means absolute control of the state on all things. Mussolini's maxim was one party, one leader. He gave military training to his party volunteers who wore black uniform. After coming to power, Mussolini captured Rhodes and Dodecanese Island from Turkey. He also won Albania, Abyssinia and Fiume Port in 1924. After these victories, Mussolini snapped all its tie with the League of Nations and joined Rome-Berlin-Tokyo axis. Thus, Italy became responsible for the Second World War. So, dear students, you can see that Mussolini's maxim was one party, one leader. And he gave military training to his party volunteers. He won many provinces. He took control over many provinces, and Mussolini snapped all their ties with the League of Nations and joined Rome-Berlin-Tokyo axis. And thus, Italy became responsible for the Second World War. Second, we have a, here you can see, dear students, the picture which is given about the symbol, a bundle of sticks, an X. Here Mussolini with the party volunteers. Here is a picture of Mussolini. Next topic, we have a Nazism in Germany. Dear students, in second chapter we discuss that Germany become responsible for the First World War. Okay, and as it become responsible for the First World War, Germany has to give away war fine as well as two of its province, which was discussed in last chapter. Germany has signed the Treaty of Versailles, and according to this treaty, Germany has to give away war fine as well as two of its province. This was the condition of the Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles, which was carried out, the Paris Peace process, which is carried out in Versailles, is known as Treaty of Versailles. So Germany had lost the First World War. It was economically ruined. Paris Peace process has compelled Germany to sign the Treaty of Versailles. Germans were extremely angry with the unjust treaty. Adolf Hitler joined the National Socialist German Worker Party in 1990, and this party came to be known as a Nazi party. So Adolf Hitler joined National Socialist German Worker Party, and later this party was known as Nazi party. The Nazi philosophy included nationalism and socialism. After the death of German President Hindenburg, Hitler assumed the post and established his dictatorial rule. And we can say that after the death of German President Hindenburg, Hitler assumed the post and he adopted stern and aggressive policies. We know that Hitler was known for his stern and aggressive policies, led the German toward narrow nationalism. Germans consider Hitler as Führer. Führer means savior. So Germans, they consider Hitler as their savior. Nazi soldiers wore blue military uniform and stuck a red strip on their shoulder. Dear students, here is a picture of Hitler. You can see that on the red strip was stuck on his shoulder. Here the flag of a Nazi party as well as the uniform of Nazi party. That Nazi soldiers wore blue military uniform and stuck a red strip on their shoulder and wore a symbol of swastika. So a symbol of swastika is an ancient symbol that was used in many different cultures for at least 5,000 years before. Hitler's authoritarian and militarist nature became obvious after coming to power. His main aim was the emergence of Germany as a major power. So here we can say that Hitler wants Germany to become a major power. In the name of purification of German race, his policies were targeted at exterminating Jews, Gypsies, and mentally challenged people. So Hitler destroyed completely the community like Jews, Gypsies. Jews is one type of community, Gypsies is a tribal community, and mentally challenged people, they were exterminated by Hitler in the name of purification of German race. By the end of Second World War, innumerable European Jews lost lives, which is known as Holocaust. Genocide. Holocaust, genocide means a mass killing. So in the name of purification, a large amount of Jews, Gypsies, and mentally challenged people were killed. Hitler's expansionism military action against neighboring country and the policy of exterminating certain groups led to the Second World War. Yes, dear students, remember these things, that Hitler's expansionism military action against neighboring countries and the policy of exterminating certain groups lead to the Second World War and become an important reason for the same. Third, we have a militarism in Japan. Dear students, according to the Treaty of Versailles, Japan got the benefit of the province of China. England and France distributed many regions of Germany between them. Japan was quite displeased with this. In 1921-22 Washington meet, Japan had to agree to have only 35% of the English and American naval forts. Japan also had to vacate the island of Sakhalin and Siberia. The Japanese youth was angry at this. So here we can say that in the year 1921-22 in Washington meet, Japan had to agree to have only 35% of the English and naval forts, American naval forts, and Japan had to vacate the island of Sakhalin and Siberia. So Japanese youth was angry. During this time, there were elections in Japan and parties supporting militarism got majority. The military nationalism of Japan adopted the policy of expansionism. So the military or nationalism of Japan, they adopted the policy of expansionism. Japan did not get the permanent place in League of Nations. So all are the reason why Japan, we can say that, become angry. So he did not get a place in League of Nations. The Western country could not stop the imperialistic activities of Japan. Japan captured Manchuria, established Manchukuo government. Also it captured Korea, Mongolia, Shantung and some province of China. It improved its relations with Germany and Italy and let loose the string of imperialism. After Emperor Meiji, European Hirohito also encouraged these activities of Japan, and thus Japan snapped all its ties with the League of Nations. So here we can say that Japan also accepted the policy of expansionism and captured many provinces. Japan captured Manchuria, established Manchukuo government. It has captured Korea, Mongolia, Shantung and some other province of China. Japan has break all its tie with the League of Nations. So these all are the we can say that causes for the emergence of the Second World War. Fourth, we have here you can see the picture of Japan Emperor Hirohito. Now next we have a global depression 1929-32. The heads of the most of the European nations had to believe that with the end of the First World War, even the post-war problem of the world will come to an end. But this proved wrong. Suddenly, a large number of shares began to sold in the Wall Street stock market, causing the stock market to crumble. This was called an Wall Street crisis by the critic, which was occurred on 24th October 1929. So here, dear students, you can see that with the end of the First World War, the post-war means it was they were thinking, the head of most of the European nations, they were thinking that with the end of the First World War, the post-war problem of the world will come to an end. But no, they were wrong. Suddenly, a large number of shares began to be sold in Wall Street market, causing the stock market to crumble. So the stock market crashed, and that incident was known as Wall Street crisis by the critic, which was occurred on 24th October 1929. This crisis shook the whole world and shattered the economic condition of the nations, giving birth to a great global depression. So the economic condition of the nations has suffered a lot because of this Wall Street crisis. Most of the nations of the world were affected by this. Even a superpower like Great Britain had to sacrifice its policy of keeping gold reserved against its currency pound. this affected the nation of the world and international trade and industry. So this has affected badly the nation of the world, international trade and industry. They suffer a lot because of this. Prosperous nation like America also had to impose strict measures. Global trade was reduced to half. Because of this economic condition, global trade reduced, and thus the World War II started getting its outline. Because of this, that the uh, stock market crash, and because of this the uh, economic condition of the all the nation, we can say nation who have reserved their money in the stock market, they have to face a great loss. So this way the economic condition will become very poor during those time. Here you can see that on 29 October 1929 it was declared as a Black Tuesday. So this way we can say that a series of events took place after the First World War.